Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fabian and I'm a house flipper here in Austin. So this is our latest project. This house actually was built in 1968. And here in the front yard, we're going to be actually sprucing up the front yard. We're going to keep all the mature trees and removing all this decoration. Also, we're going to remove the awning in the front. And actually, we're going to keep, some of the elements like the color. And actually, it's great because the roof is in good condition. We're going to be fixing the driveway, which is actually pretty cracked. All right, so let's take a look now. We're entering the house. This is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Here we have the family room, starting with a fireplace. That is certainly the original one that was built with the house, and we're going to be removing it. Also, what is particular to this house is that, we have a different type of flooring. So we're going to be changing, to make everything consistent with the vinyl all around the living room, getting into the dining. And also we are looking at this wall because on the other side of the wall we have the kitchen. So we're gonna see how far we can go with the opening, because I really want to work on an open concept between the kitchen and the family room. This way it becomes like an entertainment space as well for the future family to enjoy the new kitchen. Now we're here in the dining area, and here we have actually a very interesting space because we want to open up this wall, just drywall, to extend the dining room. There's a great area over there too where we can create a small den for an office. So now moving on into the kitchen. So this kitchen is pretty interesting with this peninsula, and what I want to do here is also to open up as much as possible so we can expand the kitchen. Which is interesting is also here behind the kitchen used to be an old laundry room with a water heater. So we want to look into now, see how we can relocate things with a washer and dryer, and continuing also with cabinets, working also on different elements with the electricity and plumbing. So this is going to be a great project, and really I can't wait to see the end result for the kitchen. Okay, so now I'm standing in the future extended dining room, which has also some interesting space because here there's a pantry room. So potentially I would like to open up the wall here so that can create a small den, and we can have here a little office space as well. This is also a great area between the kitchen, and also here we're moving into the master bedroom. And so this is a great space, and it also provides a lot of different options, to have a bed in that corner. Also it has a lot of windows, so the windows are going to be replaced, and we are going to repaint of course all the walls, and we're going to continue also with the flooring all the way into the master bedroom to stay consistent. We're going to see into also relocating some of potentially some of the windows to create also more space for clothing and potentially a walk-in closet. All right, so now we are moving on into the bathroom, the master bathroom, which also has some very interesting original features. Again, this house was built in the 1960s. So we can see probably the original countertops. So this is going to be actually redone. We're going to remove also the soffits on top to open up the space and have here, for instance, a freestanding bathtub. On the other side, we want to give this some location with the vanities. The thing is here we have definitely some extra space to actually have a door closer to the toilet. So that opens up the space to have double sinks on this side. And also here on the back, we already have an existing shower, so we don't have to change anything to the plumbing. And we can open up that space to create a really nice walk-in shower with tiles everywhere. And also to have some nice porcelain tile floor So I can't wait to see the final result for this master bathroom. Alright, so now we are going into the bedrooms in the back and also the guest bathroom. So this hallway, we're also gonna open up here, the entrance, and also we wanna brighten up by putting more recessed lights. So now we're moving into the guest bathroom. So with the guest bathroom, we're gonna keep the same location with a single sink on the right, the bathtub afterwards, the toilet, and opening up also the wall so it opens up more space into this bathroom, and removing also the cabinets here on the left side at the entrance. This is a great space for a bathroom. All right, so now we're moving on into the second bedroom. This is a really nice size of bedroom. It doesn't require a lot of work. Obviously, we're gonna change the ceiling fan. We're gonna change the flooring. We're gonna change also the trims. We're gonna repaint the walls. We're gonna change the windows. And also, we're gonna paint inside the closet by putting also new French doors. So this is facing front. This is a really nice size of a bedroom. Can't wait to see the final result. All right, so now we're moving on to the third bedroom of the house, which is actually facing the side of the house. It's pretty much the same thing than the previous bedroom. We'll be redoing all the flooring. We're going to be like repainting, changing the ceiling fan, and also with a nice closet behind me, we just need also to paint it and put some new French doors, and we're going to change as well the window. All right, so now we are actually in the patio. This is a great size of patio. So we already have a nice concrete patio. So here what we're gonna do, we're gonna be power washing, we're gonna be repainting, probably putting also some nice stones to close all the gaps we have here. We have a nice cover already here for the summer. And then we're gonna also clean out the entire patio, which is really spacious, going all the way, behind those tall trees. This is great for family, with kids, with pets. It just needs, a little bit of love, be taken care of. We're gonna also stain the existing fence, so this way we have a nice enclosure. And I think family would really, really enjoy this space. Well, thank you for watching my video. So if you like that video, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, well, have a good day. And yeah.